From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for August 23rd, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDCAD, the US dollar, versus the Canadian dollar for today's trade analysis. First off, here on the daily time frame, we can see that the previous trend has been bearish. Not too hard to see that along the blue trend line, falling from all the way up here into the 1.3800 level down into the 1.2400 level. So a significant downtrend. However, over the past few weeks, we've seen a little bit of a change in that downtrend behavior where we bottomed out down here just above the 124 level. Made some resistance into this green shaded area, bottom of the chart. You see the blue circle down here. Some resistance there for about 6 or 7 days. Finally broke above there, made a new high, breaking through the blue trend line. Now we've come back down to that same area where it was resistance, right around the mid 125s, 125.50, 55. Found resistance back here, now offering us a clue to support. Let's go ahead and zoom it in here on the daily time frame. Again, this is the area that we're studying historically. Let's see, this blue circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, 7 or 8 days where we found congestion, resistance into the green zone. Finally broke above it, made a new high above the blue trend line, and now we've come right back down to it. The previous 3 days now found support right at the same level of resistance back here, has offered some support right into 125.50, 55. Not only that, we take Fibonacci from the lowest low on the chart to the most recent high. So this low down here at the orange zone, recent high here into the 128 level. We're just underneath 128, puts the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level right at that same level. 1.2553 is the actual Fibonacci level, but right there between 50 and 55. So for the past 3 days support there, 618 Fib, we're above the blue trend line, historical resistance acting as support. So for the time being, what I'm looking for is the market to continue status quo, finding support here and bouncing off of it. An opportunity to buy into 25.50, 55 becomes the opportunity we're looking for to bounce back up at minimum to the pink shaded area as our target. And the risk is pretty simple. We know that if we're going to buy, the risk is it continues to go down and breaks back through the green zone. We know that if it breaks through the green zone, we likely look for it down here towards the orange zone. Why? Because that's what happened last time. So as long as it stays above the green zone, 25.50, we're looking for a little bit of an intraday bounce back to the pink zone. A break of the green zone is the risk, and of course then we look for it to go back down. One other clue here that we have on the daily time frame is the Forex Black Book. We can see that during the downtrend it was red, giving us a bearish bias. In the past couple of weeks we've seen it turn to green. With that green trend bar now, we begin to look at a shift in momentum. That's what that indicates. It was a bearish momentum, and the momentum has begun to shift to the bullish side. So that's something to take note of. Down to the 4-hour time frame, not only do we see where the market historically found resistance back here at the blue circle, but we're now finding support at the 618, but we also see the market starting to shift its momentum on the 4-hour time frame with the green arrow. The green arrow represents a signal of shift in momentum on the 4-hour time frame for the Forex Black Book. So with the green arrow into support, again, it gives us an opportunity to look for a long scenario into the mid 125s. The risk, again, or stop loss in this case, would be below the green shaded area, because we know that if it gets underneath, we don't want to stay in the long scenario. Of course, we'll target first the pink shaded area, but beyond there we could even look for further targets back to the yellow zone, or even a break of the yellow zone. Could even see some further reversal for the USCAD this week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.